Okay, another video from Sleem Solar. This is so far what we've done on the panels. As you can see, it's very windy. We have them kind of tied down because we're still working with them. So I want to give you a shot from the back. So we got 12 panels over here total on this side. Then over here we got 3 more. And we have a unistrut. So basically the job stopped today because we don't have any more unistruts in the local hardware stores. Believe it or not, they're out. Go figure. So that's where we are today with the panels. So we'll get a front shot here. So there it is. It's coming together nicely. As you can see, we have that one kind of strapped down right there because the wind's blowing, so we have it just zip tied down. That one we got a board right in the front right there to kind of help tie it down for now until we get everything situated. So this is where we are so far. So we get a nice shot across of what we're doing. So we got one more row here, another one here, and another one here. And then that should complete our setup of all the panels being mounted and bolted up there. We'll have 24 total for 6,000 watts. That will be piped into the inverter charger. And on the back, we're going to put the one of the combiner box on this post. Not sure if we'll do this post or that post right here. So there'll be one here, one here. So there'll be 4 strings of 6 that are series together. So these right here will be series along with the other row right there. So it'll be 4 strings of 6. That will give us the right amperage and voltage that will go into the inverter and shouldn't be a problem. So, and then we will start the trenching and get it back all the way to the side of the house right there. So that's what we're going to be working at. So once we get some more unistruts, we will continue to bolt them up and get it up and running. So we'll get one last shot here of all the panels that we've put up. So with that, Sleem Solar signing off.